So we just got into this factory. Just going to go and have a look again, see if we can get in. Around here. Hopefully the entrance is still open. See if this door's still open. You got a mask?
A little bit damp before you done it.
Is that a water fucking pump or something?
That's an old little pump.
This must be like a little basement.
Yeah. I know it goes up from here. Yeah, carry that.
Up the stairs there. Yes, you can.
Keep cobwebs. Be as quiet as you possibly can.
Little door here, a little room or something. It's all tools in here.
There's tools.
Old fire extinguisher or something.
Plant and bolt cutters if you can. If you plant and bolt cutters,
Loads
you
of
can
old
get
bits.
that into the loading joint, into the loading bay.
Engine parts, look.
Well, there's a mirror for
Alright, go through. Go through to the room, right? Open the door. No, pull it. Pull it towards it. Pull the door. Here we go, we're in. We're in.
Hey, we could have a rave.
We're not having anything here.
You know?
All the pigeons up the top there. The way down here. No, Dan, that goes outside. Leave it. Leave it. No, you're not. Leave it. Just leave it, brother. Leave it. Downstairs.
Carries on.
We're going downstairs, boy. Look at all the bird shit down here. Look at it goes all the way along the bottom. God, it's bloody big in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nasty.
It stinks. If I can, I know. Stop box. Stop boxes.
You're going to carry on going, lads, yeah?
Where does all this go, mate?
That's right.
Bro, are we still in the warehouse?
Yeah, you're going to go straight on, lads. Remember that right road down there, but it's to our left when we come back, yeah?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm going to put a marking on the wall. What's the sharpening in my bag? I can't ruin it, open it, my mum's.
This goes nowhere, lads.
Is it dead end?
Yeah, dead end.
Let's go turn around. Look at the old bulb.
Yeah.
Look at the bit of copper there, boy. Look at the copper.
Yeah. Oh, look at this pipe, bro. Look.
See where else this place goes. Right, it's back on record. Stuff everywhere. Dan, where are you? Down there.
Where are you?
What does that say? It's quite big in here, isn't it? Under here.
Yeah, it's alright. He carries on, doesn't it?
Same down that side. But does it go round there?
Dan, just carry on. Come. Think about that later.
No, I think it just goes to there.
Can we do it? Investigate?
Hey?
Alright, we need to investigate.
Bone there, look, there's all bones here.
There is indeed. They're human bones as well.
Do you think?
Well, look at that.
I know, that does look like a...
That's a tibia, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't, yes, one of them, or whatever you call it. Look, that's the whole bone there.
Light footed.
Bro, is that more there?
There's no one up there.
Yeah, but light footed, bro.
I wonder how many murders have lived down here. Oh, it's a bit damp down here, mate. Fuck it now.
Oh, no, bro. There's a light bulb up there. That one.
I wonder how long it's been empty for.
Good.
Let's go and have a look at the rooms.
She's saying that way goes nowhere, then.
Yeah, if you go down to the end and look right,
Yeah.
it basically just brings you to the bit that came down.
Yeah, but there's a set of stairs there, isn't there?
Yeah, but with wood.
Come on.
You ain't going to get up there.
Here we are.
There's no stuff here.
What's in there, bruv? Oh, the ladder.
With nothing concreted.
What's this room then?
Wait, let me climb in. I'll move the concrete. Everyone, stand. Sit down.
They did have a lot of piping in there.
Oh, I'm going in.
Right.
Hold on. Stand.
Don't get back in.
Stand.
Hold on to my shoulder. Hold up.
Pass me the camera.
Yeah, the light. Show where it is. Someone's already taken all the cables out of it. It's already been shipped to this place.
Some letters. Very, very dark room.
There's rats dropping there. Let's see where the cable's been cut out.
Yeah.
Let's get moving.
I know, there's another little thing you can't. Right, can get up.
Don't get up there.
Right, what, you coming back?
Does it open?
Yeah, it can open.
There's manhole
Open it, have a
cover
look.
from outside.
Huh?
Manhole cover from outside.
Yeah,
is
is
it?
that the case?
Yeah, that's
and
what
that's
we
an easier
outside,
way
yeah.
in.
Yes, but we just leave that closed for now. We know. We'll
Oh,
come and have a
are
look.
you 100% sure?
Let's get moving, come. Someone's already destroyed the place, mate. Everything's been ripped off the walls. Look, there's one of them old fucking jars, or one of them old glass jars.
Oh, it smells like shit.
Is it? There's loads of bones here. Loads of bones here.
They've got off the animal then, haven't
These ones are, by the looks of it. We need to go back, don't we?
they? Well,
Go back.
them stairs don't go anywhere, do they?
Yeah. No, they don't. They're all over.
Let's go back. Let's go and search the room.
That's where we just came from. No, literally there.
What's that?
That's old.
Oh, bloody hell, that is an old fuse board or something. Old wire everywhere. Pigeon shit everywhere. Don't know what these old machines are. Dan, be careful up there, bro. All the old circuit boards in it still in. Dan, shut up.
Pigeon just flew in my face.
Yeah, Dan, shut up. Let's go and have a look through the rooms. See all these, that's where they've already, someone's been in here and ripped all the copper out. That's why all them things are here. Someone's ripped it all off. So I mean, they just come and destroy these places, this is a joke.
Be careful when you go around corners. The pigeon behind your face.
I don't know how this is going to be safe.
Careful when you go right. There's nothing in the right room, but
Toilet?
that's one pigeon for that.
Yes, because you've got a nest in here, bro. Nest in the toilet.
It's fine. Something down here is here. The bottom will connect into the camera.
More rooms. It's just dreadful, isn't it? It just shits everywhere. The floor is like 3 inches thick of shit. All old boards, look, that's what I mean, everything's been ripped out. Don't, leave it. Leave it. We've still got power. Look, this is the alarm system, bro. This place got an alarm.
It hasn't got up.
What's this old thing? Come like generator or something. Thermostat. What the fuck's that? Oh, there we go. Seaboard. Oh, I ain't seen that shit before. Well, for what years? I mean, not before. They're old school. There's more rooms down the front, isn't there? Old ladder there, look. Couple of ladders. Beware when released, bottles may topple. Old books.
This is standard committee for the transmission of department.
All the paperwork. Pretty good places. And that's inside the factory. Through there's where you come through, or we came through. Another entrance there.